Flight Lieutenant Bob 2, pitching the aircraft up and revealing the Royal Air Force Benevolent charity sign underneath. That was the hammerhead. As you can see, the aircraft is fully inverted, coming down. Very uncomfortable, negative G there. That's what you're going to find out permanently drop. It's going to pop out in front of you. And roll the aircraft the right way around. As with most basic trainers, fixed undercarriage. Or you've got a lot of diffuse drag with the undercarriage as well. And you notice how wide the wheels are as well. That means it's very steady on the ground, easy to taxi, and great visibility as well on the future. RAF Benevolent Fund logos top and bottom. So you can see Bob really knows how to keep this aircraft moving at all times, and now you can see what I was talking about when it comes to trading off the height for speed and pitching the aircraft up into knife edge, and then a 4-point hesitation roll, keeping the aircraft under your breeze, slowly rolling it out to the next one. The tube is operated by number 6 Flying Training Group in partnership with Babcock International Group. Preliminary flying the British Airport in the Royal Airport. There are 13 airplanes flying across the UK, also up to 20,000 today. So flying each year in these aircraft. So if you're between the ages of 13 and 20, you'd like to go flying in this aircraft, have a chat with the air cadet. Actually, part of the course that you do as an air cadet is aerobatic flying. So you can do these rolls, you can do these half tubes, and these 4-point hesitation rolls. And with the help of Babcock International Group, there's a variety of engineering and management career opportunities available on the Royal Air Force bases around the UK. So if you want to know more about joining Babcock, who are helping the Royal Air Force with this aircraft and supporting it, please visit the Babcock website. The Royal Air Force Cadets as well is one of the largest providers of the Duke of Edinburgh Award Scheme and offers a range of adventure activities. A slow roll there. Now position the aircraft to come back in, from the right to left. Bob makes it look so easy as he's pitching the aircraft up into a loop. Out the other side. As I said, you can see when the aircraft pitches up the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund art on the belly of the aircraft. Been there since 2022 to celebrate this fantastic charity. Unique yellow and black Tudor was originally a trial paint scheme to provide high contrast. The final pass. The Royal Air Force Tudor to slate dig. And there we go, we've got Bob's skillful coordination of elevator, rudder and aileron, pointing this aircraft exactly the right direction at all times. There we go, little wing wave from him as he's ready to fire. He's going to start off on the right-hand side. Huge thank you to Bob and all of the Royal Air Force for today. And as I said, they do have a person down in the lower green, so if you want to